Using wood logs to make furniture offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond aesthetics and functionality. The rich textures, natural beauty, and inherent strength of wood logs create unique pieces that not only enhance living spaces, but also contribute positively to various aspects of craftsmanship, sustainability, and emotional well-being. As more artisans and homeowners embrace the use of wood logs in furniture making, the advantages become increasingly evident. One of the most significant benefits of using wood logs in furniture construction is the authentic connection to nature that these materials provide. When incorporated into design, logs bring the essence of the outdoors into living spaces. The organic shapes and patterns found in log create a warm and inviting atmosphere, fostering a sense of comfort and tranquility. This natural beauty can transform a room, making it feel more grounded and connected to the environment. The visual appeal of wood logs adds character and depth to furniture pieces, allowing them to stand out as focal points in a home. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood log furniture and decor pieces ideas for a rustic look. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The durability of wood logs is another compelling advantage. Logs are often sourced from robust tree species, which can withstand the rigors of daily use. Furniture made from logs tends to be sturdy and resilient, often lasting for generations when properly cared for. This durability not only enhances the quality of the furniture, but also represents a wise investment for homeowners. Knowing that a piece can endure wear and tear provides peace of mind, allowing individuals to enjoy their furniture without the constant worry of damage or deterioration. Moreover, the unique characteristics of each log contribute to the individuality of the furniture piece. Every log tells a story through its grain patterns, knots, and colors, creating one-of-a-kind items that reflect the beauty of nature. This uniqueness is appealing to many consumers who seek distinct, handcrafted pieces that stand apart from mass-produced alternatives. The personal touch of using wood log allows artisans to create furniture that resonates with customers on a deeper emotional level, fostering a connection that goes beyond mere functionality. The craftsmanship involved in working with wood logs also adds value to the furniture. Creating furniture from logs requires skill and expertise, as artisans must carefully consider the properties of the wood and the best methods for shaping and finishing it. This dedication to quality craftsmanship elevates the final product, making it not only functional, but also a work of art. Homeowners who invest in log furniture can appreciate the time and effort that goes into creating each piece, which adds to its significance and enhances the overall experience of living with it. Utilizing wood logs in furniture making also aligns with sustainable practices. Many artisans prioritize sourcing logs from responsibly managed forests or reclaimed wood, ensuring that their materials have minimal environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who are increasingly aware of their ecological footprint and seek to make environmentally conscious choices. By choosing log furniture, individuals can support artisans who prioritize sustainable practices, contributing to a culture that values environmental responsibility and conservation. The tactile experience of wood logs further enhances the appeal of log furniture. The natural textures and warmth of wood invite touch, creating a sensory experience that adds to the overall enjoyment of using the furniture. This tactile quality fosters a deeper connection between individuals and their living spaces, encouraging them to engage more fully with their environment. The physical interaction with log furniture can evoke feelings of comfort and familiarity, making the home feel more inviting and personal. In addition to the aesthetic and sensory benefits, the use of wood logs can promote mental well-being. Studies have shown that natural materials, such as wood, can have a calming effect on individuals. The presence of wood in a space can reduce stress and anxiety, contributing to a more peaceful living environment. By incorporating log furniture into their homes, individuals can create spaces that enhance their overall well-being, fostering a sense of harmony and tranquility. Creating furniture from wood logs can also be an opportunity for personal expression and creativity. Artisans have the freedom to explore various designs, shapes, and finishes, allowing them to infuse their unique style into each piece. This creative process not only enhances the final product, but also allows artisans to engage with their craft on a deeper level. The ability to experiment with different techniques and concepts can lead to innovative designs that push the boundaries of traditional furniture making, resulting in truly original pieces. The versatility of log furniture is another benefit worth noting. Logs can be used in various applications, from chairs and tables to decorative accents and storage solutions. This adaptability allows artisans to create a wide range of furniture pieces that can cater to different tastes and needs. The ability to blend log furniture with other materials, such as metal, glass, or upholstery, further expands design possibilities, enabling homeowners to curate their spaces in a way that reflects their personal style. Additionally, using wood logs in furniture making can foster a sense of community and connection among artisans. Many woodworkers find themselves part of a vibrant network of creators who share a passion for craftsmanship and sustainability. This sense of camaraderie can lead to collaboration, knowledge sharing, and support among artisans, enriching the overall woodworking experience. Engaging with this community can inspire individuals to push their creative boundaries and explore new techniques, ultimately enhancing their skills and the quality of their work. The investment in log furniture can yield long-term financial benefits. While the initial cost of high-quality log furniture may be higher than that of mass-produced alternatives, the durability and timeless appeal of wood logs often lead to greater longevity. Well-crafted log furniture can withstand the test of time, reducing the need for frequent replacements and ultimately saving money in the long run. Additionally, unique log pieces may appreciate in value over time, making them not just functional investments, but also potential assets. The act of crafting furniture from wood logs can also instill a sense of pride and accomplishment. Completing a project that involves transforming raw logs into functional pieces can be deeply satisfying. This sense of achievement can enhance overall well-being, reinforcing the idea that dedication and hard work lead to tangible results. The emotional connection to the work can motivate artisans to continue honing their skills and pursuing their passion for woodworking. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood log furniture and decor pieces ideas for a rustic look. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.